Hello ladies, thank you for coming to the channel today. I just did a video about this hair and uploaded it maybe a couple of weeks ago. I have since of course taken that hair out and I just did the same hair, but I am using the ombre kind of color. So it is the Janet Mambo Yaki pack. This is 12 to 14 inches. They just give you like a range, so I guess when you put it at the top maybe it's 12 and when you put it at the bottom it's 14. I don't know. And I'm using this hair because it is on sale, y'all. $2.99 where I am. So I thought I'd try it again. I wore it straight for a couple of days the last time, and then from there I rotted it and dipped it in the water and had a curly style. So it really lasts a long time for me, because normally 3 weeks I'm about done with any style. But being that I was able to wear it straight and then rot it and make it curly for a little while, and maybe with this hair I'll come back and give an update of what the curly looks like. So as you can see, I'm almost done. I didn't do the invisible part this time because I felt like even with the invisible part, when I was flipping it around, I lost where the hair pieces were that was out. So I still end up seeing knots even when I did the invisible parts on the pieces that I didn't do underneath invisible. This hairstyle has 10 braids going straight back to about the middle or the crown of my head, and then it's in a zigzag pattern for the back of my head. Last time I did it up and down and said if I had to do it again, I would do it going across my head instead of up and down. So I just wanted to kind of show you that real quick. I will show you the hair. So the hair comes with about 20 pieces, and it looks like this. So it has a little loop. It has a little plastic piece here. Last time I had to cut more than this time. Little extra pieces on the plastic that was sticking out. So this little band kind of pulls down, and then you see, of course, that you have your loop. You put your crochet hook in. You then put the hair on the hook, close the hook, pull the hook through or underneath your hair. Then you're able to, and I'm not getting it all. I'm trying not to make faces. I always make faces on these. So you have your hair, you put it through. I've been putting it through twice. And then I pull the hair down, and then I pull the little plastic piece down. And as you can see, it is as simple as that. I'm probably going to put 1 or 2 more pieces up here, but I just wanted to kind of give you a quick, put the hair under the loop. I think there's lots of videos out there that does that show you that. So I don't think you need a whole bunch of that, but I just wanted to show you that, and I wanted to show you this hair. Like I said, this hair did really well for me last time, and you can see underneath I don't put like something in every single spot. It seems to be too thick for me, so you can see there's a gap there of about 1 inch. And I like it a little bit thinner. To me, it looks a little bit more natural when it is that way. So if you have any questions, any comments, of course I need some makeup, y'all. I know, and I'll add maybe a picture tomorrow of me with my face done up at least a little bit more. I don't wear a whole lot of makeup anyway, but just wanted to again show you this. If you have any questions, please leave your questions, leave your comments on whether you've tried this hair, whether you like it straight or curly. I'd love to hear those and have some interaction. So please just do that. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to showing you something again soon.